Let's see today how the gold is behaving. If we take a look from yesterday, the price has formed a bullish candle and it has reached 2950.00, a resistance level. We can see that here, and the price is closed as a bullish candle. We had a wick trying to move down, and we can see it has gone all the way back below this demand zone here, below this support level, but we can see that the price could not close the day below this support level. But the price has closed the bullish candle, which means the price has found enough strength to close above these open and close price levels, which is indication of the bullish trend currently. But we can see after the bulls have closed the day like a bullish candle, we can see that the price could not manage to make a bullish breakout above 29500, which is a very important resistance level, and it is also a round number, psychological level, where the traders has gone outside of their trades, and also some kind of sellers are waiting here, which means a supply zone around this area of resistance. Now we can see the price is also reaching a confluence of resistance, because this horizontal line, which is acting as a resistance, we have this trend line, a blue line, that is also preventing the price from reaching higher price levels, which means it is a resistance. So we have two resistance lines that are crossing to each other, which makes a confluence of resistance. That means a pretty strong pressure of the sellers waiting here, pushing the price down. Now we can see how this looks after the bullish breakout has been confirmed 2 days ago, which I have mentioned yesterday. I was expecting the price will try to move higher, and the price has done just that, reaching the next target, which is 2950. If you have watched yesterday's analysis, you will see that information. But what we can expect for today? As a daily candle, we can see that here the price has reached again this resistance level. We can see that 2950, and it is currently bouncing from this resistance level, going towards down to the first support level, and it has already reached, and that has happened in the last 4 hours. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we'll see how this looks. Just a minute, I need to extend this one. Parameters, okay. We can see how this looks. We can see that the price has reached the resistance level and then bouncing back down, reaching the first support level at 2930.06. We can see that it is a support level. After that, the price again tried to move higher. We can see that, but the confluence of resistance, we can see that, is preventing the price from reaching higher price levels, so the price is bouncing back down. So we can see that from yesterday, the price is bouncing between these two price levels. So where the price could go, where the price will make a breakout, will it go further up or it will go further down? Well, we can see that the price is currently in the uptrend. This is on the 4-hour time frame. We can see that if we make the channel here, we'll see that the price is trying to move higher to the higher price levels, and the price is currently formed this bullish channel, which is currently, just a minute, showing where the price is heading, and also what we can make a conclusion that the price is currently trying to make a bearish breakout outside of this channel. Will the price manage? Well, this is the next step that we need to wait. First of all, if the price makes a bearish breakout, we can expect that the price will try to move further down, where the next support level will be around this area here. We can see, because these open and close price levels and this here is also making a small support before this one strong one. And we can see that in this attempt, when the price was forming a bearish breakout below 2930.06, we can see that the price has reached this small support level here, and that support is around 2918. So if we go to the 1-hour time frame, we will see that 2198 is very close to this one, 2921. We can see that here because it is a 1-hour support level. We can see that here, right? So this is the support level before reaching 2911.23. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that 2911.23 is the 4-hour support, but we go on the 1-hour time frame, we'll see that we have a support level around this one here, which is around 2921, and this is also the top. These we can see these wicks here, and also very close to these open and close price levels of these two candles. Now, what we can expect after the price makes a bearish breakout, we need a confirmation of this bearish breakout. In this attempt, we can see that here this bearish breakout has been invalidated, with this bullish candle making a bullish breakout, returning back above this resistance level. We can see after the failed bearish breakout has been formed, the price has moved in the opposite direction, reaching the next target. So this is something that could also happen again here. That is why it's very important to watch after bearish breakout happens that the next candle confirms this bearish breakout is a valid one. It is the same scenario for the bulls. Now if the price confirms this bearish breakout as a valid one, the target will be around this one here. But we can see that very important resistance level is currently 2950 and 2930, which needs to make a bullish or bearish breakout, which will force the price in one of the directions. So for now, we need to wait where the price will go, and we'll see how the price will behave. If the price continues to rise in value, which is currently much more likely, at least what I can see, because we are currently in the uptrend channel, but because of this bearish breakout going outside of this uptrend channel, this is some kind of a signal that there is less of bullish strength that will push the price higher. Now, if the price makes a bearish breakout, this will be for sure indication for the further decline in value. But if there is no bearish breakout, this will move sideways, because currently we have much more bullish strength that are pushing the price from here. We can see that the price is always in the uptrend channel. This will mean that the price will try to move to higher price levels. One more thing to remember that is today is a Friday. And remember, after several days, just a minute, I need to remove this one. Delete this one and delete this one. After several days of the bullish movement, we can see that here the price is on a Friday usually reaching some kind of a key important level, and that is 2950. There is a high probability that the price could reverse back down, where the traders will get from their trades out and log their profits, which means the price could move in the opposite direction of the technical analysis, which means the price could see a significant move. Will that happen? Well, it depends everything what will happen around this support level and this resistance level. For now, I am waiting outside of the market, waiting to see where the price will make a bullish or bearish breakout. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, we'll see that the price is jumping between these two price levels. We can see the top is here, the low is here, so the price is bouncing up and down. Currently, the price is at the support level, which needs to be broken in order to move down, or it will the price return back above. And we can see that the very important levels are this one here, 2939 and 2944 for the 1 hour time frame. So we'll see how the price will behave. So feel free to join inside the free Telegram group, where you can also receive notification during the day about how the gold will move. So feel free to check the link below in the description. Join here so you are informed during the day how the price will behave and also what are the updates. Then we'll see how the price will go in which direction. So also remember that you can also leave a comment if you have any questions, so we can discuss there about these details. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.